Good everyone, today we have SK26 KAESER Screw air compressor up to 11 bars. This compressor is connected to air receiver of volume of 300 liters. Let's start the compressor and see how it builds pressure from 0 bars. That's exactly 10 bars. Let's check the gauge on the air receiver. 10 bars exactly. I've released some pressure now from the air receiver. And it's all we can get. This is around full consumption. Let's check the compressor. It's still loading. The temperature is 57 degrees, which is really good. This compressor is in excellent shape. It's only 18,000 hours of running. Built in 2004. It's older, but older from this period in KAESER means very good. Let's shut it down. This is a great piece of machinery. Don't miss this item and good luck on your bids.